Imagine robots working on farms, planting, watering, and doing all that. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's becoming a reality in a major African country. We'll dive into that soon, but first, welcome to Tech Gist, where you get the latest updates from Africa's tech scene. I'm your host, Datom George. Let's go! Jumia's market cap rises past $1 billion as Wall Street renews confidence. WATRA pushes for infrastructure sharing to lower internet costs in West Africa. Automation and robotics to boost food production in Nigeria. E-commerce giant Jumia's market cap has gone over $1 billion. Wall Street is showing renewed confidence in Jumia, pushing its stock price higher. This shows strong investor belief in Jumia's potential and its leadership in Africa's online retail space. Jumia is set to continue its growth and success in e-commerce. Good luck to them. Let's talk about the internet in West Africa. The West African Telecommunications Regulators Assembly WATRA is pushing telecom companies to share infrastructure like towers and cables. By sharing these resources, the cost of providing internet can be reduced. This means cheaper internet for everyone. Lower costs could lead to better connectivity and support digital growth across the region, making it easier for people to get online and stay connected. We're looking forward to that. Lastly, Nwachuku, co-founder of TerraHaptix, says that Nigeria can significantly boost its food production by using automation and robotics. Imagine farms with robots planting, watering, and harvesting. This tech can make farming more easier, reduce waste, and increase production, ensuring more foods are on our tables. Nathan believes that with the right investments, Nigeria's agriculture sector can become more sustainable and productive. Amazing! That's it for today on Tech Gist. We love bringing you the latest in African tech. Now don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Spill your thoughts in the comments and follow us on all social media platforms at www.techpression.com for the full stories. I'm Datom George. Stay innovative, and I'll see you when next I see you. Bye-bye.